Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you another super easy eyeshadow tutorial for beginners. It can be done in only 5 minutes. They're so simple and easy to do with no fake eyelashes for those that don't like fake eyelashes. This is something super cute you can do, so I hope you like it. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And give it a thumbs up please before you leave. And now, let's get started. As always, I'm going to clean my eyebrows from the bottom with the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer and the Real Techniques Detailer Brush to give my brows a better shape and make them look cleaner. I'm also going to use this concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows, so I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. And there's no need for a sponge to blend out the concealer. Using your finger blends it out pretty good. I'm just going to do it in tapping motions, and it does have to be nice and blended out in order for the eyeshadows to apply really nice and even and blend out good. After it's nice and blended out, I'm going to set it with my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder and a fluffy brush from Profusion. I do it in tapping motion so the concealer doesn't move or you don't see the streaks of the brush. You can also use a translucent powder or an eyeshadow, a matte eyeshadow that's the same shade as your skin tone or as a primer that you applied. And this is going to help a lot, especially if you're a beginner and you're practicing the eyeshadows. It's going to help for the eyeshadows to blend out a lot smoother, easier, and faster, so I highly recommend this step. Today I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to grab this eyeshadow with this little brush from Profusion ES6. And I'm going to apply this in tapping motions on the outer corner of my eyelid. Once most of the eyeshadow is there, I'm going to slowly start blending it out, making the little dot bigger. And I blend it out kind of in tapping motions using a light hand on the edge of the little circle. I'm just going to keep blending it out and you're going to see that it's slowly getting bigger. When it comes to blending it out on the center of my eyelid, I'm gonna go just up and down, kind of making a line, but obviously I don't want the line to be sharp, so I also do it in tapping motions, but it's going like a straight line up and down. But on the outer corner I want it to be round, so I only want this eyeshadow to be on the outer part of my eye. Since I want the eyeshadow to be a bit darker, I'm going to grab more of the eyeshadow and apply it the same way, tapping motions on the outer corner, and slowly start blending it out and making it bigger. When it comes to you blending out the eyeshadows and you want it to look nice and blended, you don't want to have a lot of product on the brush and you want to use a light hand. So I want to blend out this area better. The line isn't that sharp, but I want it to look smoother. So what I'm going to do is grab my pressed powder from Rimmel and the same fluffy brush I used earlier and apply it on the inner part of the eyelid. And then slowly, with whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to start blending it out on top of the eyeshadow. Just the center part, not the whole eyelid. And you can see that it's going to look a lot smoother. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I see a big difference when I do this. Now I'm going to grab the black eyeshadow from the same Morphe palette using a smaller brush. This brush comes in the Rimmel eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it right above the roots of my eyelashes on the outer corner. You want to be really careful if you're using a black eyeshadow and it's pigmented. You just want to start with a little bit. So once I have that there, I'm going to start blending it out very lightly, and I just want this on the very corner of my eyelid, and I'm obviously not going to blend it out as big as the first eyeshadow because I don't want to cover it up. So to blend it out, I just do it very lightly in tapping motions. Now I'm going to grab this brush again, and the first eyeshadow I applied, I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line, just on the outer corner. As you can see, the other eye, the eyeshadows are only on the outer corner. The eyeshadow ends like right in the center. I really like how the eyeshadows look when you just have it on the outer corner. I feel like that looks so nice, especially if you use a bright color. When you're applying or blending out the eyeshadows, you don't want to blend it out from the outer corner going down, because then that makes your eyes look droopy. So when you're blending it out, you want to make sure you're blending it up towards the tail of your eyebrow. Then I'm going to grab this eyeliner from Rimmel. I'm going to apply it on my waterline. This will open up your eyes a little bit. If you don't want your eyes to look small, you want to avoid using dark eyeliners. Since I'm not going to wear fake eyelashes, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to leave this eyelash curler, the link, in the description box below because I highly recommend it. It was only $2. I got it at Target, and it curls my eyelashes really good and it lasts a long time. And the mascara that I'll be applying is from Milani, the waterproof one. I highly recommend this mascara. It's waterproof 100% and it doesn't weigh my lashes down. I love how the little brush separates each eyelash and it coats each eyelash with the product. It doesn't smear or smudge throughout the day. And of course, it's affordable, so I do recommend it. I'm going to apply 2 layers on my top lashes and only 1 layer on my bottom lashes. Then I'm going to grab this shimmery eyeshadow and apply it on my inner corner. You can apply a very light, any light pink or purple highlight or a gold shade that'll look really nice. And that completes the whole look. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. I really hope you guys liked it and I hope this tutorial helped you. Also, comment below what other videos you'd want me to film. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye!